Baling round bales in straw, silage, and hay from cut or uncut material. Tying the finished bales tightly with twine or wrapping them in a net. High-density bales. This is what you get from the Fortima, the round baler from Krone. Fortima F1250 produces 49-inch diameter bales. Fortima V1500 produces bales of 39 inches to 60 inches in diameter. Fortima V1800 produces bales of 39 inches to 72 inches in diameter. Fortima excels in design, quiet running, long machine life, high functionality, the highest densities. The Fortima picks up every stem. The camless Easy Flow pickup from Krone leaves nothing behind. Gathering at a width of 81 inches, the Fortima excels in all harvesting conditions. The wheel-guided Easy Flow pickup hugs the ground for a clean crop pickup. Easy Flow is a camless pickup that uses only a few moving parts. This makes it more efficient, requires less maintenance, and has less wear on parts. Being camless, Easy Flow operates at a higher speed than a traditional pickup with a cam, with the result that Fortima achieves higher work rates, boosting profitability. The crop roller guard assists with a continuous crop flow, and the feeding augers bring the crop in from the edges. The Fortima is available with a choice of rotors, with or without a cutting rotor, which feeds the material into the machine. The feed rotor handles and transfers massive volumes of crop. The Krone rotating cutter, multi-cut, cuts the crop to consistent lengths and leads to higher bale densities. The V-shaped double tines pull the material constantly through the blades and into the bale chamber. A maximum number of 17 blades cut the crop to a length of 2.5 inches. The central blade selection system swings a specific number of blades into the feed channel. There are sets of 0, 7, 15, and 17 blades. All blades are set hydraulically to position 0 and feature the automatic foreign objects non-stop impact protection system. After the blades are released centrally, you can remove them for sharpening and refit them easily afterwards. Multi-cut on Fortima offers many benefits. It leads to better silage quality and makes splitting the bales easier and faster. It has been shown that short straw provides for easier spreading and better absorption of liquids. Every Fortima uses the well-proven slat and chain elevator. This Krone design has been proven thousands of times in hay, silage, and straw. The elevator rolls the bale without ever stopping, producing high-density bales even from short and dry crops. The Krone Fortima fixed chamber balers perform successfully everywhere in the world. The Fortima fixed chamber baler stands out for its simple technology and driveline. This reduces power requirements and increases operational dependability while making service and maintenance easy. At the heart of the Fortima fixed chamber baler is the fully enclosed bale chamber with its endless slat and chain elevators. A chain tensioner automatically sets the correct chain tension. The result is a clear design, a camless pickup, the slat and chain elevator, and high baling densities. Whether equipped with a multi-cut cutting system or without, the Krone Fortima F1250 fixed chamber balers always deliver firm and well-shaped bales. The variable chamber round balers Fortima V1500 and Fortima V1800 stand out due to their simple design. Relying on only a few drive chains, the machines offer enhanced dependability. Grease banks and automatic chain lubrication are in place to minimize daily maintenance and increase operator comfort. The two endless chain elevators are tensioned automatically and are guided by large tensioning rollers. This design explains why the Fortima runs so quietly and is so low in terms of wear. The non-slip driveline and the elevator that wraps nearly the entire bale reduces the risk of fragmentation and loss, as well as the required tractor power input. Bale density is controlled via the hydraulically adjustable clamping pressure on the clamping arms of the two bar chain conveyors. Once the bale reaches its preset diameter, the bale is ejected, assisted by the optional bale ejector if required by conditions. Fortima is available with a net wrap system or with the new 4-fold twine wrapping system. Quattro Speed is the new Krone twine tying system that uses 4 twines to cut down on the tying cycle time. As the cycle starts, the twine runs over the rubber wheel and the pressure roller into the bale chamber, where they are picked up by the rotating bale. 2 guide blocks are used to distribute the 4 twines uniformly across the full width of the bale. A coned pulley controls the number of twine wraps applied per cycle. Simplicity is key on Quattro Speed. The threads overlap significantly and allow multiple ties close to the edge. Quattro Speed translates into well-shaped bales and maximum densities at minimum costs. Designed to achieve high daily work rates, the Fortima stores 11 spare rolls of twine. A Fortima baler that is equipped with the Krone net wrap system offers storage space for 3 spare rolls of net. Net wrapping cycles are shorter than twine tying cycles. A Fortima equipped with a net wrap system will produce more bales per hour. Fortima's net wrap system is straightforward by design and offers superior functionality. Covering the shoulders of the bales, the uniform application of the net avoids air pockets that can form during the wrapping process of silage bales. Farmers and contractors demand performance. The Fortima features the Comfort onboard electronic system and the Beta terminal. The CCI ISO bus terminal is compatible with any ISO bus machine. Buying a Krone Fortima means buying Krone's experience and expertise in Baler engineering. Our round balers operate around the world, where they have proven themselves in a wide variety of conditions. Fortima delivers the highest bale densities in silage, hay, and straw, offers smooth and quiet operation while being user-friendly and easy to service.